Hello guys, what's going on? TechRoom UK here. I know this is not related to tech, but I want to show you this very special pair of trainers. These are the DJ Khaled Jordan 5s Crimson Bliss, and this is the box for it. I mean, just by looking at the box, they look amazing. So we got with the best logo, Jordan logo, everything. It came in a bigger box, but I took that apart. Crimson Bliss Leash Blue Sail Air Jordan 5. I got this straight from Nike. I think they're still available on Nike.com. They're about 200 quid. So if you guys wanna get them, I might put a link in the description if I find one. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what they look like and what we get inside. Okay, so we took the plastic cover of the box. As you can see, it's a really nice box with the Jordan logo. Let's open them up. Pink inside. I love the color combination, especially on the box right here. Let's see how the shoes like. Oh my god, they look amazing. This color is called Crimson Bliss with leash blue and sail. And it's made out of leather, really premium materials, with the best on the side, on the back of the shoe right here. I like how they included the Crimson Bliss ice right here on the sole. Jordan logo, Nike logo. They also gave us 3 different pairs of laces, so you can always change your style. But so we have a total of 4 laces, but obviously that depends how you're gonna assort yourself with your outfit, you know. Let's have a look at the other one. This one has Nike Air on the back. They just look amazing. I like the premium quality on the material on the inside. I never seen oh, they got something on the front right here, keep, and I think it says keep going. Yeah, keep going on the, oh, that's amazing. Let's put them on the side. Guys, I'm so excited for this, you have no idea. Let's put that on the side right here. And yeah, this is how they look. With the best Nike Air. These are Jordan 5s again. They have the light reflecting, so if you do flash photography, this bit right here is gonna flash in the dark, so that's really great. They are made of leather, Jordan on the side with the best on the other side. Yeah, I mean, it's just amazing. I never seen quality like this on the inside before. They have a girls model too, so I might be able to put a referral link in the description below, so if you guys want to buy either those or that one, will be amazing. But yeah, pretty much that's it. There's nothing much to say about these shoes. I like them a lot. I'm not gonna wear them every day, obviously, because they're like quite expensive and special shoes. If I can afford it, maybe next month if I find them, I'm gonna buy another pair. But yeah, until then, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.